We've got 4 big new updates on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, plus a major win for all Samsung users. Let's jump right in. What's up, guys? First off, the display. Trusted leakers ICE Universe and South Korea's The Elec are both reporting that the S26 Ultra will feature a brand new display technology called COE OLED. Now, what does COE stand for? Honestly, it doesn't really matter. It's one of those overly technical terms no one outside the industry needs to remember. What does matter are the actual benefits this new panel brings. There are 3 key improvements. 1, the panel is thinner, so the phone itself will be noticeably slimmer. 2, it's brighter, possibly topping the S25 Ultra's peak brightness of 2600 nits. And 3, most importantly, it's more power efficient. Since Samsung is sticking with the same 5000 mAh battery in the S26 Ultra, this more efficient screen could mean significantly better battery life in real-world use. But that's not all. ICE Universe also says the S26 Ultra will include Samsung's 3rd-generation anti-reflective coating, the same tech that debuted on the S24 Ultra. This upgraded coating cuts down screen reflections even further, making everything on the display look sharper, deeper, and easier to see outdoors. What's crazy is that Samsung is still the only smartphone maker using this kind of tech, and it'll be nearly 2 years old by the time the S26 Ultra hits shelves. Next big update. A major shift in Samsung's flagship lineup. According to this new report from South Korea, the S26 family is getting a reshuffle, and we've got confirmation of the screen sizes too. According to the Elec, Samsung is only releasing 3 flagship models next year: the Galaxy S26, the S26 Edge, and the S26 Ultra. That's right, the Plus model is officially out. This isn't just rumor anymore. It's backed up by WinFuture and also spotted in the GSMA database, so it's as close to official as it gets. Now about those screen sizes. The standard S26 will have a 6.27-inch display, the new S26 Edge is getting a 6.66-inch panel, and the S26 Ultra will feature a massive 6.89-inch display. These are pretty similar to the current generation, but there is a big change, especially with the Edge model. According to WinFuture, a very reliable source, the S26 Edge will get a serious camera upgrade. It'll jump from a 12MP ultra-wide to a 50MP ultra-wide camera. That's a major leap and puts it much closer to the Ultra in terms of image quality. However, it's worth noting that the Edge won't have any telephoto lens, which still keeps a noticeable gap between the two. As for the S26 Ultra, most of the camera setup stays the same, but there is a small upgrade. The 3x telephoto lens is going from 10MP to 12MP, not a huge change but an improvement nonetheless. A significant leap from the 5000 mAh battery found in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The SiC technology aims to replace the traditional graph anode with a silicon-carbon composite, allowing for higher energy density without increasing the battery's physical size. Such a development could enhance battery life and reduce charging times, addressing 2 major user concerns. However, subsequent leaks have tempered these expectations. Notably, insider sources have refuted the earlier claims, suggesting that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a battery capacity of less than 6,000 mAh. Specifically, the device is rumored to house a 5,500 mAh battery, marking a modest 10% increase over its predecessor. But compared to the current 6.2-inch panel on the S25, it's a step up, delivered without changing the phone's overall footprint. What this means is slimmer bezels, more immersive visuals, and a cleaner front face, all without affecting how the device feels in hand. It's compact, yet premium, minimal, yet modern, and some big surprises on the software side, especially with Galaxy AI and One UI 8 built on Android 16. If you're excited about the Galaxy S26 series and want to stay ahead of every single leak, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. This is GigaGuide, bringing you premium-level tech coverage before it goes mainstream.